Are you about to travel into the United States or booking a ticket to come to the United States and you're concerned about actually coming because you might get asked a lot of stupid questions by customs or that they might actually search your phone? Yeah, you should be concerned. My name is John Ting. I practice immigration law in the United States with a physical office in Houston, Texas, helping you secure your legal status to live and work in America legally. So let's get down to it. You might have heard of this thing called the Fourth Amendment, that law enforcement need probable cause, need to have a warrant so they can search your body or your possessions. Well, when it comes to Custom Border Protection, they don't need that. You might be thinking, well, customs, they need to do their job, right? They need to search for people who could be trafficking humans, could be trafficking drugs. Yeah, totally understandable. When it comes to your device, though, you want to be careful. You might also have thought it's no big deal. I don't have anything on my phone that the customs would not let me in. Well, you have a lot of apps on your phone. So you might have this app called WhatsApp, Viber, any of these messaging apps, and any conversation is group chats that may not have actually been intended for you, but maybe for another buddy on the app. But the customs officer might associate that with you, and they might think, you're working here? And then you have to backtrack, and you feel like, oh my God, why do I have to backtrack? That's not me. So there are two main scenarios where inadmissibility might get you to when they're searching your phone. Number one is about related to work. And you might be thinking, no big deal. I'm just helping out a friend. I'm just staying at their place. Well, I've actually had a client, several clients where they came to us after and they got a 5-year bar because customs officer thought, hey, you have a grant of inadmissibility applied to you because you've been working even though you didn't get paid. You're gonna file for more, and I'll share more information about that. The second situation is maybe you check your phone and you see messages from your Pookie Bear, your significant other, and where does this person live? They ask you a question about that if they couldn't tell from their phone, the device, but I'm sure they could figure it out. And then they might just think well, shoot, you're coming here, you got a couple huge luggages, you're coming here to overstay your visa. That's a problem, even though you don't actually intend to. I know a lot of y'all travel with a lot of bags, but yeah, you want to be mindful of this. So ultimately, even though there's cases across the country, the Supreme Court has ruled that customs does have the authority to check your body, check your property when you're entering the United States. You need to be proactive. To the extent meaning, you might want to consider not carrying on your body with you your main device. You might want to think about having one of those non-smartphones, or even if it is a smartphone, but one that doesn't contain all that information on there. You don't associate it with your iCloud account or other cloud account. So have you been in a situation like this? Comment down below. And by the way, I didn't actually intend to dress like that person. If you found this helpful, follow for more, share, and talk to you soon.